Now, let us see what happens when we give separate index values. We will consider the same examples that we have done in the last video, where we have created a series using range function. We had given s is equal to pd dot series within bracket range 2, 10, 2. Okay. Now when we give like this and when we print yes, we can see that index values are starting with 0, which is the default value. Now suppose I want to change the index value. I want to give something else as the index value. So I can use the property index. Now I am giving index is equal to, I am giving the index values in the form of a list. As you can see, there are 4 values here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 values. So I have to mention 4 index values. So I'm giving A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D. Okay. The index which I have used here is a list of strings. I have to close one more bracket. Now let us print S and see. You see the index values have changed here. It has become A, B, C, D. Okay. Now let us consider another example. Let B is equal to PD dot series of, so I want to give list. Okay, remember we have given list, isn't it? So I'm giving list 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Okay. Now here I will use range function. How many values are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 values are here. So I will try to give a range so that it will give 4 values. Okay. I'm starting with the 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I'm giving 14, 10, 14. Closing bracket. I've not mentioned the step value. Step value, if it is not mentioned, will be taken as 1. So now if I print T, you can see the range that we have specified here, that is from 10 to 13, that is excluding the stop value, has been taken as the range, index value here. Hope it is clear. So suppose what happens if I don't keep the number of values correctly? Suppose in this I'm trying to give, like I'm trying to give 16 instead of that 14. Okay, now how many index values will be generated? Okay, 2 more will be generated, isn't it? So in that case, you can see it will create a error. So this means that the number of index values and the number of values of the series should be equal. Now the same can be given using our NP, that is a range function also. That P is equal to PD dot series bracket NP dot a range of 3, 14, 3.5, index is equal to, I'm giving the same thing, that is NP dot a range of, say I'm giving 22, 25, 26. Okay, 26. Now if you print P, the index values starts with 22, 23, 24, 25 and the value. So hope it is clear how to change the index value. We can give our own index value. If you are not giving any index value, the index will be taken from 0 to n minus 1. Otherwise, we can specify the index as per our wish.